Right, number two, a quality control manager at a factory selects 7 light bulbs at random for inspection out of every 400 light bulbs produced. At this rate, how many light bulbs will be inspected if the factory produces 20,000 light bulbs? All right, so we know the ratio here is 7 out of every 400 will be inspected. Okay, so we can set up a proportion here. Say we have 7 out of every 400 will be inspected, and the rate should be the same as when if we're producing 20,000 light bulbs, right? We want to know how many will be inspected. So the total number of light bulbs, it goes on the bottom at 20,000, and then we want to know how many will be inspected. So that's what we're trying to solve. So let's call that X. Right, so when we set up proportions, the key is that we have to make sure the meaning had to match correctly on both sides, right? So 400 represent from the sample, right? The number, total number light bulb, then 20,000 had to represent total number light bulb, right? And we're selecting 7. And then here we want to know how many we're selecting, right? So that's X. So you see they all had to match up. Okay, once we set it up correctly, then we can do cross multiply to solve this out. Okay, so it will be like, cross it over, and thus we can use our calculator. Okay, so 400x equal to 20,000 times 7, that should be 140,000. Okay, 140,000. And to solve for x, you have to divide by 400 on both sides. All right, so x cancel, or 400 cancel. So we get 350 when we divide. All right, so letter B, that should be our final answer for number 2.